In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your card PIN in the Lloyds Bank app. If you've ever stood at a checkout and drawn a blank on your 4-digit PIN, don't worry, there's a quick, secure way to check it right from your phone. In just a moment, I'll walk you through exactly where to tap, what you'll see, and a few simple tips to keep your information safe while you do it. First, open the Lloyds Bank app on your phone and sign in as you normally would. Depending on your settings, that might be with your passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. The app is designed to protect your details, so a quick authentication at the start is perfectly normal and is there to keep your account secure. Once you're in the app, look along the bottom of the screen for the cards section and tap it. This area shows the cards linked to your account. If you have more than one card, make sure you're on the correct one before moving on. You can usually swipe or select the card you want to check, so take a second to confirm the last 4 digits and the card type to avoid confusion. Next, choose View PIN. You'll then see the option to Show PIN. When you tap Show PIN, the app may ask you to confirm your identity again. This could be with your passcode or biometrics. That extra check is intentional and ensures only you can view the PIN. After that, your current 4-digit PIN will be displayed securely on the screen. Hold your phone close and be mindful of anyone nearby. It's a good idea to turn your screen brightness down slightly or tilt the screen to reduce glare if you're in a public place. The app typically hides the PIN after a short time or when you leave the screen, so focus on memorizing it while it's visible. If you need to see it again, simply repeat the same taps. A few quick tips as you view it. Don't write your PIN down or store it in notes on your phone. Instead, use a simple memory trick. Group the digits in pairs or associate them with a meaningful but private pattern. Never share your PIN with anyone, and remember that the bank will never ask for it. When you're done, navigate away from the PIN screen or lock your phone to keep everything secure. And that's all it takes. Open the app, tap cards, select View PIN, and then Show PIN to see your 4-digit code safely. Keep this process in mind for those moments when you need a quick, secure reminder